After years as a motorcycle mechanic, 33-year-old Johnson Lubem began building his own bikes in 2012, turning scrap into brand new machines. Lubem has crafted over 50 motorcycles from discarded metal and customized more than 100. His creations, including both stylish and military-grade bikes, rival imported brands in quality and performance.
I built power bikes from the beginning to finish. I built mini fancy bikes from the beginning to finish. I have bikes with sidecar that I built with my own bare hand. Bikes with sidecar, that's military bike, I built and gave it to the military.
Customers like David Ikechukwu, who travel across states on these bikes, vouch for their durability and quality. Lubem's locally made motorcycles have not only met but exceeded the expectations of those who doubted Nigerian-made products.
The bike has been serving me very, very well. It have never disappointed me for one day, and anywhere I pass, people will be looking, hey, come, people will be calling me, looking at me, appreciating the bike.
The UNDP identifies innovation as key to economic growth, especially in low-income countries like Nigeria. Lubem's work shows how local innovation can reduce dependence on imports and drive development. But challenges like limited tools and competition from imports slow progress.
I don't have the professional tools that can give me the easier work. So you have to go through hard process like doing it manually. This takes you a lot of time.
Experts stress the importance of supporting local innovations. They argue that such initiatives could cut import reliance, create jobs, and boost growth. But government support is still lacking.
The government has to embrace local talents, local skills, innovations. And then by the time they bring them together, at that point, they can work and make them more viable. The government has not been able to do that. And that is what is taking us backward, if I must say.
Despite the challenges, Lubem's work demonstrates the potential of local innovations in Nigeria. While experts call for more government support, Lubem remains hopeful, seeing his motorcycles as a testament to African ingenuity. Kelechi Emekalam, CGTN Benue, Nigeria.